Hey friends, while I'm out here camping, I thought we'd try a new recipe I heard about from a friend of mine. His name's Sean Holt, so I want to thank you, Sean. And what he calls it is Poor Mans Ceviche. And ceviche is normally raw fish that's cooked with lime juice and then put in tomatoes and onions and stuff like that, and then eaten on crackers or flour tortillas. But in his version, we're going to be using canned tuna, avocado, some lime juice. Of course, fresh lime would be better, but when you're camping, you don't know, you're trying to save space and worry about things going bad. Crackers, and then some Pico de gallo to mix with that. So we're going to mix that up and try it out and see what we think of it. Get the tuna in there. Lime on this. Okay, that ought to do. Now our pico de gallo. I'm thinking we probably need quite a bit of this. I think this was a spicy one too. And don't forget our avocados. Get those scooped up into there. This could take a minute. All right. We'll give her a little mix. Looks good. Smells wonderful. I think that's about mixed up. Pretty good. Now let's try it out. Got some crackers ready. Probably should have put it on a flour tortilla. There's enough there to make huge wraps. About, probably 4 or 5 of them. But I might still dig one out. I don't think these crackers are going to be able to take dipping into there, so I'm going to have to put it on a cracker. Come on, trying to get a good biteful. All right, here we go. Poor Mans Ceviche. Really tasty. Yeah, a lot of flavors going on there. Between the avocado, tomato, onion, jalapeno. I like the crunch from the cracker. It's probably make a great tortilla roll up, but personally, I like eating it with the crackers. Yeah, I like it a lot. Hey, I just thought of something. You can also just eat it out of the bowl. And if you want to, you get a lot of crunch. Then take a bite of the cracker. But, yeah, it's kind of like a tuna salad of its own. Right? I think that's how I'm going to finish this. I'm not going to do it one cracker at a time. And I don't want to dig out the flour tortillas. So that's a wrap. Bye.